All right. Dakota County. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna grab it from underneath. Oh, it wants to. You got to be kind of quick about it. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh man. All right, you kind of have to be quick about it. IMU attitude error. Excessive aircraft rollover. Okay. Do I restart it? Okay, restart aircraft and ensure it is level before taking off. Okay, so turn it off and then turn it on again. Okay. Oops. Gotta wait longer. Okay. Back up. Alright. So I'm gonna try it again. This time in front and see what happens. See how it looks. Aircraft not okay. Alright. Oh, get out. Go fly, yep. Okay, once again. Alright, I'm going to record from the aircraft a little bit. Takeoff permitted, I must have the GPS. Okay, next to the Dakota County Juvenile Services and all that. Okay, here we go. So it's shoulder level, and I want to just reach in there quick. Okay, and that's it. That's pretty easy. And then apparently this does not damage. Hey, what's going on? I can't even. Okay, and stop recording. Okay, so apparently this does not damage the motors in any way. You just got to reset everything, and that's it. So that's interesting.